Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine Glories, Chapter 10, Shloka 26. Among all trees, I am the Ashwatha tree. Among the divine rishis, Narada. Among the Gandharvas, Chitraratha. Among perfected ones, the Muni Kapila.
Chapter 10, Shloka 26. Ashwatta sarvavrikshanam devarshinaam cha naradaha gandharvanam chitrarataha siddhanam kapilo munihi.
Chapter 10, Shloka 26. Continuing to indicate the status of the self among the things of the known world. Of all the trees, I am the peepal tree. The peepal tree has very large dimensions and lifespan is also long, and many generations benefit from it. So it is considered in a way as all pervading and immortal. It is sacred as it has been compared with the changing world, which can be cut down from the roots with an axe of detachment to reveal the substratum. Of all the Deva Rishis, I am Narada. Narada is a great devotee and also a great seer among the celestials in the heavens. He is a great missionary and will go to any length to remind people of their divinity like the Lord himself. Among the Gandharvas, I am Chitraratha. Chitraratha is the best singer and the genius among the Gandharvas, who are the subtle entities which constitute the celestial choir to entertain the denizens of heavens with art and music. Of the Siddhas, I am the Muni Kapila. Siddha is one who has achieved the goal and so the perfect one. Muni is a word used to indicate the one who reflects, one who is a great thinker. Since human beings alone have the intellect and the capacity to think, so he is the best among humans. Sankhya means the logical sequence of thought in any intellectual argument. Kapila is the author of the Sankhyan philosophy and Vedanta follows it up to a point where there are differences regarding the very fundamentals. Sankhyas believe in the plurality of the self, whereas Vedantins follow the concept of the non-dual Brahman, wherein, due to the play of the mind-intellect, a plurality is seen in the beam of the truth. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.